Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today we are here to celebrate day 14, guys, 14, almost halfway through the month of October of our Vlogtober challenge. For those of you who are just jumping on board, I have teamed up with Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey to share with you guys a new challenge each week for the month of October in honor or to celebrate Vlogtober. So the first week our challenge was to share a motivational or inspirational quote each day. This week, and today is the last day, our challenge was to drink 64 ounces of water. And at the end of this video, I will be announcing what the challenge for next week is going to be. And it is another good one, guys. Another good one. Okay, so I will link Suzy's Facebook group and her YouTube channel down below. If you're not a member of her YouTube family or her Facebook group, please go check them out. We do share a lot of discussion in her Facebook group, and you will find fantastic support at both of them. So, water. How did I do today? Well, guys, it is 5 o'clock when I'm recording this, and I have had, let's see, 48 ounces of water in my big cup and then one 12-ounce cup. So that puts me at 60 ounces of water, and I know that I am going to have another can of water at least tonight. I like to drink the sparkling waters. Today I am drinking this lemon-flavored Spindrift. You all know Spindrift is my favorite sparkling water. It's just got a unique flavor. They got a lot of different flavor options, so I will definitely be getting my water in today. And let's share our last few water facts. Guys, I'm kind of disappointed these are over. I really like sharing these with you guys. If you guys have found any of your own water facts, make sure you leave them down below in the description for us to read. And let me know how you guys are doing with your water challenge today. Have you noticed a difference since you started drinking water? Did any of you try drinking water a half an hour before you eat? And if you did, how did it feel? I mean, did you feel like you had decreased appetite like they said it did? I am just amazed by all of the facts that we are finding and the health benefits for water. It's absolutely amazing. I do have my laptop down here. If you see me looking down, that is what I'm doing. I think I'm just going to look for some general facts about water to share with you guys. So I'm going to go to the website, www.cmetrics.com. I will link that down below if you want to go check it out on your own. And it says 100 amazing water facts you should know. So let me wait for this to pull up here, and I'm going to share with you a few amazing water facts. Okay, fact number 1. It says 60 oint. Oh my gosh, guys. Jeez Louise. I recorded 4 videos today and my brain is a little fried. So 68.7% of the fresh water on Earth is trapped in glaciers. That's over half of the fresh water. My goodness, that is a lot of water. A lot of water. It says 30% of fresh water is in the ground and 1.7% of the world's water is frozen and therefore unusable. So I guess we still can get fresh water from the glaciers and it's considered usable, but then there's that 1.7% that's frozen and not usable. So where would that frozen water be if it's not in the glaciers? I don't know. Deep thoughts with Jen, and yeah, so. Let's see. Oh, here's one. Approximately 400 billion gallons of water are used in the United States per day. And in 1 year, the average American resident uses over 100,000 gallons of water, indoor and outdoor. That is a lot of water. Oh, and here's a fascinating one, too. 70% of the human brain is water. That's, again, over half. So over half of your brain is water. And like we talked about yesterday, you know, when we were discussing facts about water and the brain, I mean, that 70% of the brain is water, which explains why it can have such a great effect. I mean, my golly. If you guys didn't see that video from yesterday, make sure you go check it out. But I am just in awe of all these facts, guys. That is a lot of water. I'm still thinking about the water being trapped in glaciers. Like, I just can't. And I still want to know what that 1.7% of unusable frozen water is. I mean, is it just hard to reach and we can't get to it and that's why we can't use it or what? I don't know. All right. Well, I guess that's it, unless you want to know what the challenge is for next week, which does start tomorrow. You do want to know? Okay. All right. So, the challenge, the way that we did this, again, I wrote down all of your suggestions on a piece of paper and numbered each one. And then Suzy picked a random number via text. She didn't see the list, so she has no idea what she was picking. So there's no cheating involved. We're all surprised. And the challenge for this week, which starts tomorrow, is to try a new 0 to 4 point snack. So a new snack that is either no points, 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, or 4 points. So yeah, that's going to be interesting, and it's going to be interesting to find something new for each day. I guess that doesn't necessarily mean that it's something that we haven't tried before, but just something different each day for a 0 to 4 point snack. You can share your answers with me here. You can share your answers over at Suzy's YouTube channel, or like I said, guys, there's some great discussions and some great sharing going on over at her Facebook page, which are also linked down below, so make sure you go check them out. All right, guys. I gotta get going. I got a lot of editing to do tonight, and I have dinner waiting for me. It's time to eat. So I'm going to hop off of here. If you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, I would love the chance to get to know you better, so please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I do have my 800 subscriber giveaway going on right now. I will link it down below. It is a requirement that you be subscribed in order to participate in this giveaway, guys. So really, what are you waiting for? Please consider hitting that button. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.